Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the file and app access so you don't get stuck mid-change. First, unlock your phone and ensure the custom sound is saved in Files or Music. Next, open Settings and tap Sound or search for notifications to jump straight to the right menu. You do this because Android needs permission to read that file. Once that's set, you'll be ready to pick or add new tones without interrupting apps or losing the clip. Now you choose exactly which notification you're changing so you don't alter every alert. Tap Apps and Notifications, then pick the app or notification category you want. Once inside, open Advanced or Sound Settings to expose tone options. This lets you control per-channel behavior, which is why modern Android separates channels. You'll see system tones plus an option to add from files. Make sure to grant file access when prompted. Then finish by selecting your file and confirming the change so the phone saves it for that channel. Tap Save or OK, then send a test notification or use the app's test button to verify the sound. If you don't hear it, restart the app or reboot the phone. That often forces the system to reload media caches. If problems persist, make sure the file format is compatible, MP3 or WAV, and that settings has permission to read storage so Android can access the tone.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.